Disguise just how much you drink in style with the Swig Life Packi Backpack Cooler. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. What's in the box? So, when we first took a look at the Swig Life Backpack Cooler, we initially thought it was one of those covert drinking bags you bring into music festivals. But I think the label tends to give things away. No, instead, it's a purpose-built wine cooler backpack that's insulated to keep your drinks cold on the go. This classy-looking backpack's got a wire frame top, polyester exterior, an inner cell foam, and PVC interior all held together with waterproof AquaSeal heat-welded seams. On each side, you'll find magnetic snap pockets perfect for cans, tumblers, water bottles, or even your small personal belongings. Once the zipper's opened, the inner compartment has a capacity of around 4 gallons. That's enough space to fit between 4 to 6 standard wine bottles, plus ice, or anywhere up to 24 cans of your favorite beer or pre-mixed spirit. And of course, it doesn't have to be for alcohol. It's just as good as a picnic cooler for family outings. And as a backpack, the padded shoulder straps can be adjusted for comfort, especially if fully loaded. And while the backpack only weighs 1.8 pounds when empty, carrying a 24-pack on your back kind of gets heavy. So, what do we like about the Swig Life Packi Backpack Cooler? As a cooler, it works great, especially when you're heading to the beach, camping, or when you're bringing a few bottles to a party. And as a backpack, it's generally comfortable, depending on how many bottles or cans you have loaded up. So, what don't we like? While the inner bag is technically waterproof, the zipper isn't. So if the backpack takes a tumble, there is a chance you can get some leakage. But you can get around this for the most part by using ice packs as opposed to individual ice cubes. But enough from me, let's talk to Matt and find out what he thought.
I actually got the first version of this bag over a year ago from Amazon to review. And the second time we used it, the zipper broke on it because we overpacked it. And I was really bummed because we loved the bag. In fact, we kept using the bag. We still have it, in fact. We still, like 2 weeks ago, before I got this one, we were still using it. That's how much we love the bag. But version 2 is now out, and it has this upgraded zipper on it. So you can overpack it and really no fear of breaking it like we did the first version of it. So I'm so excited to get this. Cooler also comes in different colors, different configurations. This one here looks like it's made for just 2 or 3 bottles of wine. This would be perfect for a 6-pack, just depending on your needs and like how you like to swig. But I love these bags.
Thank you, Matt. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Swig Life Packi Backpack Cooler? If you're looking for a quality backpack cooler but want something cute and stylish, then the Swig Life Packi Backpack Cooler is a must-have. We're giving it an 8 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for only $124.95. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.